Hi, I'm Rick from ModMaker. This is the quickest video in history. I'm going to show you our new positive safety lock for the standard positive nut on the MM510. Let's have a look. Okay, super quick video showing you how you put on the new MM positive safety lock standard size. This is the little Delwyn piece. I've got a mod here. Pop the battery out. Simply push it onto the bin like that and reinsert the battery. And what that does is, when it's pushed right over onto the battery, it won't fire. And you put it over, works. That's it. That's all there is to it.